by magic, it's a different car. So there's a bit of history behind this car. So about 7 years ago, the other CL that I'm going to do the videos on, and this car went drag racing on North Weald a couple of times. Both with a different set of mods, which I'll go through. We did nearly identical times, so it's quite interesting. Today, this is in for a secondary O2 sensor bungs have sort of worn out and the threads have been damaged, so they've sort of fallen out, so we're going to sort them out. And we're also going to recharge the air conditioning system, which is a little bit more complicated than usual because it's got a killer chiller, which is basically a air conditioning driven forced intercooler. So it uses the air conditioning to cool the intercooler circuit down to below ambient temperatures. Very useful, very good. And also we're going to do a gearbox oil service on it. So I'm going to separate this out from the other video to combine it with what we're doing with the shop, if you call it, shop CL, and we'll take it from there. Hello. Right, so what we've got here is the O2 sensor. Get a bit of focus on it, that's just broken there, that's fine. There's no, I mean, that's basically what's happened on this side. You see what we've done is already repaired that, chased the threads. Well, we've chased the threads and then put a bung in there because we're going to relocate the O2 sensors further back up the exhaust where they were originally. These are the secondary O2s. All they do is serve to function to monitor the status of the secondary cats. So Matt is going to be cleaning out that thread there. Then he's going to basically do the same thing on that side. We've already done the air conditioning on this car, so that's always fun and games. This car had an additional, something like 1100, no, an additional 400 grams worth of R134 to deal with the additional intercooler or heat exchanger for the intercooler. So yeah, so that'll be sorted. I will post a video between this car and the other car that I'm about to do a video on, which is my car.